Hey guys, it's Crystal and I'm back. This is the first video of a 4-part how to crochet series. And this video is going to focus on slip knots and chaining. So let's get right into it. The way I start my slip knots is I wrap the yarn around 2 fingers, just like this. And then I take the hook and I go under the first piece of yarn and over the second piece of yarn. And I twist the hook upward. Then I take the 2 fingers out of the circle and I pull both of the pieces of yarn to create the knot. Be sure to leave a little bit of space on the knot so that it can kind of slide around on the hook easily. And this part is not typical for most crocheters, but I use my middle and my ring finger to create tension when I'm crocheting. So I'm going to hold that short piece of the yarn with my middle and ring finger, and I hold the long piece of the yarn in between my thumb and first finger. So I just wrap the yarn around the needle, around the hook, and to start creating a chain. So I'm just going to keep doing this a couple of times so you can see. And I'm using the middle finger and the ring finger to hold the bottom of the chain. And it's called the yarn over method, so I'm just yarning over, pulling the yarn from back to front, and then twisting the hook from upward to downward to create a chain. And if you notice, I'm pulling downward with that middle and that middle and ring finger. I don't wrap the yarn around my pinky like most people do. I'm creating the tension by pulling the yarn, the longer piece, with that thumb and that first finger. And if you keep going like that, you're gonna have a chain. And it's no twisting, it's gonna come out nice and straight. That's the end of part 1. Thanks for watching.